It's impossible to transport or store products, equipment, and materials without risk. At Distinguished, our industry-leading inland marine insurance can help with specialized coverages for contractors' equipment designed for general contractors, street and road, and earth-moving equipment. Builder's risk, targeting single-family dwellings and commercial buildings, and motor truck cargo for owner-operators, small and large fleets, local to long haul, with a wide range of commodities. Our distribution is for both retail and wholesale brokers, with limited distribution so your submissions are less likely to be blocked. We're backed by an A- rated admitted carrier, and coverage is available in most states. Our brokers work with a single dedicated underwriter for new business and renewals to provide personalized insurance solutions at outstanding value. To get started, visit our website. With Distinguished Inland Marine, your clients can move, build, and grow with total peace of mind.